Okay, suppose we have a list here in column A of lease aging. These are listing the aging of lease agreement. For example, a lease agreement has zero point 0.4 years old, okay, or a lease agreement is 1.21 years old, and so on. This is a huge list of 161 values, but some of them are repeating. You see, you have 529, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 454 2 times, and so on. So I want to organize my data and establish what is the frequency for each category. So my first challenge is to list all the unique values that are not repetitive, are not repeating itself. So I'll start by the formula is equal to unique, and I will select the array, enter. That's it. You see, now each of these values are unique, does not repeat itself. So it's not anymore 161. There are 46 different unique values. Now, I want to know how many times, for example, minus 12 is repeating itself, or minus 0.044, and so on. So I will use the formula count if and I will select again my range. That's my range. Comma, and my criteria will be, what I'm trying to find out is these values, how often they repeat, with what frequency. I'm trying to find out the frequency. Enter. That's it, I found. So value 0.12673 repeats 2 times, 0.04454 1 time, 0.369163 3 times, 0.454094 5 times, and so on. Okay, so now let's add the total here. Boom. So this is F47, and let's see the percentage. This will be percentage, and I will use 1 decimal point is equal to this divided by F47, right? We just determined that the total value is F47 in cell F47. Now let me lock the formula, the cell F47. So I press F function 4. I lock the formula, and then I just double click this small square at the edge, at the corner. That's it. That's my formula. So suppose I want to create a graph listing all these values with its frequencies, percentage-wise frequency. Okay, so I'll just put my cursor on the E1, and I will scroll down until the end, until E46, and then I will put the cursor here. Oh, sorry,